Silva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading my channel. Subscribe Infinity Gainers. Today we are see how to make USB flash drive genuine Windows from Microsoft directly. How to create from Microsoft? Just open browser, browse Microsoft Windows download. Just click software download. Here show your Windows. Just click Windows 11. This first option is there. Check create media tool option. Just download this. This is for tool download Microsoft Windows from Microsoft site. Okay, you manually need to your Windows, you go on iOS file, download it. In second option, third option in below, select language and bit everything. Just click on download it. Then after download, go to download downloads media for Microsoft media creation file. Just right click exe file. Just right click on run as administrator. Then select your needed for online or offline you want to use. Decide it. Here shows your hard drives and before for this one ISO file mean USB mean this directly bootable created from Microsoft. Second one is normally download ISO file. Okay, just click and continue. Which one you need, select it and select it directly from Microsoft. Okay, just click next. Select your USB bootable media. Just next finish. After wait, now what happened? Download download from Microsoft Windows 11 to the USB pen drive. After what happened, that download the ISO file is converted to the media. It is automatically doing in this media creation tool. Don't worry to wait this for the processing.